What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another episode of Here's the Scoop. This is episode, what?
Four.
Four, I believe?
I think four.
Feels like 20 at this point.
I know.
This is our Halloween edition of Here's the Scoop. We are going to... Wait a minute. Is it me? There's like a Pennywise over my shoulder. Pennywise is our special guest today, folks. He may say a few words or may just appear in your house and scare you randomly. But yes, that is Pennywise. We had to pay big money to have him here in person.
It was hard to get him, but he wanted to be on Here's the Scoop.
Yeah, but one of us is going to lose our lives. So we'll have to just wait and see till the end. No, Julia, come back. So today what we're doing is we're going to be kind of talking about the most iconic hairstyles for Halloween characters, or just kind of any character that people either do a lot of cosplay of. We may miss a bunch, but we're going to rattle off a few that we've come across. We may just spit out a few other new names that we think of. But the first one is Dracula. This is Dracula here. If anyone doesn't know who Dracula is, that's him, the king of horror, right?
Yeah.
And Dracula's hairstyle literally is like a matted down slick back. That's really what
he started it.
Yeah, Dracula started the slick back with the widow's peak. So if you are dressing up for him as Halloween, literally use pomade, like my pomade ice. I would mix ice and powder cream together because powder cream has like super strong hold, and ice is going to give you that shine because the Dracula haircut is like a true slick back, but it's a matted, really close to the head slick back. So
every year someone has that look.
A classic.
It is very classic.
All right, here we go. The next one, Wolverine.
If you're Wolverine,
yes,
10 out of 10.
Yeah, man, Wolverine. I mean, I've actually done a tutorial on Wolverine's hair. The thing about getting Wolverine's hairstyle is you need to have obviously enough length on the sides of your hair, maybe 3.5 inches or so in length, and then the top is a bit longer. But what you need to do is try to get the sides out more. And the way you get the sides out more is when you're blow drying it, use something like a mousse or tidal wave, something that's going to give you volume. And what you want to do is, while you're blow drying, lift out this way, right? Lift out from the head so you're getting both sides to stick out like how Wolverine has it, where it's out like this and a little more flat towards the middle. But awesome.
Quick question. Are you more of a Marvel or DC guy?
The Hulk is my favorite. I like
Marvel, yeah.
I like Superman.
DC. Now you're confusing.
Well, those are two both my favorites.
Okay.
Hulk and
Wolverine
Superman.
is my favorite.
Really?
Captain America and Wolverine are like the two amazing superheroes. Yeah.
Speaking of Captain America, if you are looking to do, I've done a huge tutorial on the Captain America.
He's huge.
Like I think I've done 2 videos, and they both went like viral. So just search Captain America, the Salon Guy, and you'll see those hairstyles. All right, next is, this is a classic, Edward Scissorhands, right? And especially a lot of people like to throw that my way because, you know, they call me Steven Scissorhands. You know what I mean?
It's actually really funny.
It is, right? Oh my God, Julia, thank you.
About
time you
Sometimes he's funny. Right now, he's funny.
So yeah, Edward Scissorhands, I mean, this is just a classic. If your hair is that long, then great, but it's really like stringy and chopped up and piecey all over the place. So I wouldn't advise getting your hair cut like this permanently, but you may be able to find...
Oh, wait. I just got the joke. It's not that you look like him with his hair. It's that you're a hairstylist. I'm joking.
Oh, God, don't confuse me.
He was so scared.
I'm a natural airhead, so just don't confuse me, Julia, please. All right, next is Jon Snow from Game of Thrones.
You watched the whole thing.
This is Jon Snow. I actually only got to like 3 episodes of
I've never
season
seen
1.
it.
Really?
I want to watch it, but I don't know. I know I'm going to get a lot of hate right now.
The North is coming. The North is coming. That's all I know from Game of Thrones. Like the North. Something about the North.
I don't know anything about it.
Game of Thrones fans are like hating on us right now.
100%. Everyone in the comments right now is like, how have you never seen this? It's the best show in the world. It's like the Office fans. If you haven't seen The Office,
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, The Office is great. I have started watching. I made it to like episode 5 of season 1 of Game of Thrones.
Oh, seriously?
People are like, you need to watch it all the way through. It gets kind of crazy. But yes.
Can we binge watch it together?
If you want.
Right after we leave here.
Yeah, it'll take about 4 months to do it.
Yeah.
But so Jon Snow's hair it's layered, right? And I've done some tutorials very similar to it, but the key is to make sure you have some length, but the hair has to be layered. And it looks like it's kind of a rounded shape, right? Very, very nice layers. I mean, a male or female could wear that.
I know a lot of people with that hair.
Really?
Yeah.
It's a really nice haircut.
Especially post-quarantine, if you still have
yes.
long hair.
Your hair probably grew into this.
That's
right?
what I'm saying. It's the exact hairstyle.
You know, and for the kind of that lived-in wet look, tidal wave works, or shadow works great for this, or the crafted blow-dry cream. Just something that's more of a cream consistency, and just let it air dry. You don't want to mess with it too much. All right, the next is Lara Croft from Tomb Raider. Now, she's probably one of the most, for Comic-Con or cosplay, so many people dress up as her. So her hair in this one is a little more kind of wild, and the ponytail is kind of just loose and natural. She also had that classic braid in the first, I think it was first game, part 1 and part 2, I believe it was. But she's either known for hair like this or just it back into a braid. But
is she the heartthrob of cosplay?
She was Lara Croft was the
really?
hottest character,
she looks very realistic. At first, I thought she was real.
Yeah, even I think
the graphics are insane.
Yeah, and there was a movie, Tomb Raider movie, and I mean it was she was definitely a heartthrob.
Oh my god!
I am so excited.
This is Steven.
It's
literally if you want to be Steven, this is how you do it.
Excited about my own hair. I have to tell you, this is my own hair. It's real. It's a real hairline, people.
You can't even be mad about it because you're so good at it.
I'm going to build a wall around my hair, and I'm going to make barbers pay for it. I have to tell you.
Please cut this out.
Melania wants me to leave my hair. She loves my hair as it is. Sleepy Joe. At least I have more hair than him. I have to tell you.
Oh my god.
So President Trump, I've gotten so many requests. Now, if you go to my channel or just YouTube and search The Salon Guy and then Trump, you're going to be surprised on what you find.
Very surprised.
Okay, it's not fake news. It's real news. I have to tell you, real news. But you will find some really funny stuff.
It's not on Fox or CNN.
Yeah, and I'm not making fun of him. I'm not,
You're not saying you support him or don't support him.
I'm you know who I support, but I'm just gonna say, definitely just search this on YouTube and you'll find some funny stuff. But I can guarantee you there's gonna be people dressed up as him for Halloween.
Oh, 100%.
Right?
100%.
The most important thing about this costume is the hair. It's the hair.
They
I have
make
to tell
the
you.
masks.
Yeah.
Laura, he literally wore a
It was
Trump outfit.
Looked just like him too.
Yeah, it was scary.
I'm not that heavy in person, no. I'm not heavy. Borat was way too fat. Way too fat.
Put on that face for Trump.
All right, this one. Patrick Bateman and American Psycho. You all have been waiting for this one. I mean, everybody loves this. I have done tutorials on this. One tutorial, I kind of broke down the hairstyle. It's a classic.
He's a good-looking guy.
Yeah, I mean, Christian Bale.
Yeah, very good-looking guy. Harris, wow.
Yep. And have you ever seen the videos of Christian Bale where he loses it on set against the sound guy?
I think I know what you're talking about, but I can't put it to face.
Yeah. Yeah, right. He fired his sound guy right on the spot. You bloody suck! Get the hell off the set. That's really what he did. Christian Bale. I do good impressions.
Very good. Trump is the best one.
Wait, what's the other one? What was I just doing recently?
Joe Biden.
Look, here's the deal.
Here's the deal.
Back in the year 19, when I was a child. Look, you clown. Here's the deal.
He was already 80 years old.
Yeah. Back in the year 1704. Clown. No. All right, so Christian Bale or Patrick Bateman. So the sides are probably about 1 inch, 2 inches long, maybe 1.5 inches, 2 inches long. It is shorter on the sides and the back and a bit longer on the top. And it just kind of is slick back, but with a side kind of twist to it. So it's kind of back and over. Something like this, shadow would probably work great for something like this, right? You need that, almost like that wet look. Yeah, so a classic Halloween.
Blow dry cream even?
Yeah, the blow dry cream, definitely. Anything that's like a cream consistency. And then lastly,
the second heartthrob.
The second heartthrob. This is Jill Valentine from Resident Evil, which I've gotten a lot of requests for. She's got a really nice, cool kind of layered, choppy bob, right? So great for the ladies if you are looking to be here for Halloween or cosplay.
Also, bobs are in right now.
Yeah, it's a bob, got some texture to it. Not heavily layered, but it's more like thinned out, so it's a little more piecey and wispy. And you get that by kind of more graduated layers where it's more towards throughout the bottom into here, not heavily layer on top. So definitely really, really cool. And these are the ones that we kind of picked out.
Yeah.
Bob Ross is another one.
Ooh,
right? The
Bob
classic
Ross.
Bob. Happy, I'm gonna paint a happy little bush. Happy little bush.
What did you say about mistakes? Happy accidents.
Happy
accidents.
Great. I just got run over by a car, and boy, my ran over my happy little foot. And then I went back and painted a picture of it. Happy little picture. Happy little car accident. No,
you know what the best thing about him is though? He takes a paintbrush, okay, and will literally just splatter it, and next thing you know, the whole painting is perfect.
It's like a gorgeous work of art.
Yeah, I tried to follow a Bob Ross tutorial. When I tell you, it was the hardest thing in my life. It made no sense. I was left at the end with just black.
You have to do that while you're taking some sort of hallucinogen. That's when it comes out.
That's what he's on.
Yeah, pretty much. So yeah, what else? Bob Ross. Who's another Halloween type of
people are in? You know what I feel a lot of teenagers are gonna do, like an Outer Banks hairstyle. You know, really? John B.
Yeah, which I've done a tutorial of.
So many people would do John B. Yeah, TikTokers, like
E-boy. Oh yeah, E-boys for
looks,
sure.
E-girl looks.
Search the Salon Guy E-boy, and
the OG.
You'll find out that I started it back in the early mid '90s. No, early '90s.
Yeah.
I think like 1990.
Really?
That's when I looked like Leonardo DiCaprio.
Literally, yeah. Oh, that too. People always do things like that, like couple costumes.
Now I get Brad Pitt.
No, Brad Pitt gets you.
That's right. What else? Who are Goku? Right, that's another one.
Yeah.
With the spikes. Dragon Ball Z. That's another one. Let us know in the comments below. I know obviously we missed a whole bunch. What about K-pop? Do you think anyone's gonna dress up as K-pop 100%.
People? 100%. You'll see like a group of 5 or however many are in there, and they're all gonna like dress
BTS?
up as one. 100%.
BTS cosplay. Whoa.
People dress up as everything and anything.
Let us know in the comments if you're planning on dressing up as any of these people we mentioned, or who are you gonna be for Halloween?
Yeah.
Are you going all out? I don't even think Halloween's happening. To be honest with you.
It's not. I want to go trick or treating because there's no parties.
I'm gonna go out trick or treating and they're handing out hand sanitizer. I mean, that's
I'll take it.
I mean, it's.
I need to go trick or treating.
Well, we do it here. We have candy here.
True.
Literally, we had like
a lot of it.
We had like a whole bag of like little Skittle packets, and it was gone in like 2 days.
We had a bag of chocolates, Skittles.
Yeah. The chocolates are still here, except the kisses are here.
Yeah, that's it.
But yeah, Halloween
is
Crunch
evil. Bars, Twix bars.
Yeah.
Those are all gone. Wow.
Yep. I mean, so we're gonna have our own little Halloween here, I guess. But
Halloween party this Thursday.
Even if like, you know what, for the fun of it, dress up and stay at home and just party or something, you know, hang out, watch movies.
Yeah.
Okay, before we go, what is the scariest movie you've ever seen?
Scariest movie I've ever seen.
Are you into scary flicks?
I do like scary movies, yeah.
Have you seen Shrek?
Shrek?
Yeah. That is the scariest movie I have ever seen.
Oh, I know what scene you're talking about.
Yeah.
When he's bathing in the mud, it was really, it was scary. It's a little dirty. I don't know about scary. It was a little dirty.
The Lion King. That's a big one.
Petrifying.
That is. Whew.
Okay, that's heart-wrenching, though. I cried during The Lion King.
I mean, no, seriously.
The actual scariest movie?
You ever see like The Conjuring?
Okay, yeah. So there's scary movies
or like The Last
that.
House. Oh no, The Haunting in Connecticut or something.
The Haunted. No, isn't it like The Haunted?
Connecticut or something?
Is that what it is?
That was frightening, that movie.
I've seen a bunch of scary movies because I used to be obsessed with them. Also, you go to a movie theater date, always choose the scary movie.
Really?
Yeah. You're like, oh my God, I'm scared. Yeah, 100%.
Oh my God, I'm so scared right now.
I know.
Help me. That's such a dude move.
Like,
Julia is a true OG pimp, man. She knows all the tricks, how to lure people in. I feel bad for all you guys out there,
I
especially
know.
the ones who you matched with on Tinder who watch this.
I'm so sorry.
Seriously, man.
I know you have to like play it up a little.
I'm gonna start taking lessons from you on like
It's
scoring
so
chicks.
smart. You have to sit there. You're like, oh my god, it's so scary. It's not scary at all. They're more scared than you are. But you're just like, oh, come for me.
That's some classics. I haven't done that in a while.
It's
The
genius.
classic move that I usually do is, the hand on the... Oh, never mind. But anyway.
The yawn. Oof.
Oh, there you go.
Like a classic.
You are so... How do you know all this stuff? Is it because guys use these moves on you? Or
Okay, the
you
yawn?
use them on the guys?
Yeah, I'm like, you're going to do this now. I'm like, come on. It's 25 minutes into the movie. You have not done anything.
Oh, I can only imagine what watching home movies are like with you. Anyway, no. But, yeah, so let us know what your favorite, your scariest movie is. Are you dressing up for Halloween? What character are you going to be? The scariest movie I've ever seen probably is like The Exorcist, which I recently just watched again. And that is it's a classic scary. It's really intense, but it's a really, really scary movie.
Wow.
Again, I think it's The Haunting in Connecticut or something. That is like...
I'm going to watch it.
That is frightening. The Conjuring is pretty scary, and then The Conjuring 2, I hear, is like even worse than that.
Also, like,
The Ring. Remember The Ring?
The Ring?
That's the one with like that... the girl comes out of the well. She's got like the black hair.
Oh,
It's
yeah, like on the down, the white.
Yeah,
the white
yeah.
thing. Oh,
Did you ever watch
no.
that?
No.
I think there's like The Ring
That's
2
scary.
or 3.
Isn't there something with like The Orphan? What's that one? There's something about an orphan that's also really scary. I don't know. Whenever they make kids evil...
The Omen? That's
that what it
that's
is?
old.
I don't know. Whenever they make kids evil, that is when the movies are the scariest. When they do like the creepy
Like
kids
Child's
singing.
Play? Child's Play with Chucky?
Yeah. And when they do like the singing in the background.
Yeah.
You know what movie's actually not scary?
What?
Speaking of this guy. It has some scary scenes, but overall it's not that creepy. Same thing with like the Purge movies.
I think Pennywise wants to say a couple of things.
Me and my boyfriend.
Here we go.
All right.
Hello, Georgie.
Oh my god. What else does he say? He has like this one line that he's known for.
Do
you want to play? Do you want to play a game? Yeah,
yeah.
that's what it is. It's something about fun. Oh my god.
I'm
Right after
loaded-
this, we're just going to search it.
I'm loaded
He's
with
gonna do
impressions. Loaded with impressions. They call me the impressionist.
For the next day, I bet from now till tomorrow, you will just continue to do that. One impression about Georgie.
Look, here's the deal.
Here's the deal.
We better stop now
I
because this is
know.
going to turn into a comedy routine, a stand-up
Oh,
act.
100%.
So, all right, everyone, have a safe Halloween. Let us know. Answer the questions in the comments. I hope you are enjoying these. We're trying to do some really cool stuff. We want to keep expanding on this. And that's it. So thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time for more videos with a Salon Guy.
Bye.